Hey friends, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on how to make some Mexican hot chocolate. I'm going to be using reduced fat milk. Feel free to use any kind of milk you prefer, and Abuelita bar chocolate from the brand Nestle. Depending on how much you want to make, that is how much milk you are going to add. The more milk you add, the more bars of chocolate you need to add if you would like it sweet. In this case, we are doing half of the pan and we're only adding 1 chocolate bar. If you want it sweeter or if you want a darker color, you can add another bar of chocolate. This is a molinillo. A molinillo is used for the hot chocolate to give it more of a volume. If you cannot find one, you can visit your local Mexican grocery store and most likely they will have them there. Using the wooden whisk, you are going to whisk the chocolate until it starts to melt. As you can see here, the milk is starting to boil. At this point, the chocolate is melted. You can grab the molinillo, put it in between your hands and do back and forth motions as you see here, and that will allow the chocolate to evenly become airy and it will give your hot chocolate a better taste. The part that you have to be extra careful since your heat isn't high. If you let the milk boil too long, it will actually create a lot of air and it will rise up to the top. So if you don't carefully watch your hot chocolate, it will fall over. And that's it. That's an easy way to make authentic Mexican hot chocolate. I hope you guys enjoy this. Try it out. It's super delicious. And if you want it to be sweeter, go ahead and add some sugar to it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys.
Is
it good?
It's hot though.